Hello everyone. I don't know if you've seen recently, Systeme just changed their pricing pricing plan for the starter plan, and it's now $17 a month instead of the 27 that it used to be. So if you want to be able to benefit from this new price, you already have a Systeme UI account. There is three links that you need to click. I'm going to show you right away in this tutorial. And if you don't have an account yet, you can still benefit from this new price. I'm going to show you exactly how. So instead of paying the initial $27 a month. So how does it go? If you already have an account, you need to log in inside of your account, and you're going to click on your profile on the right hand side of the page, and then you're going to go to settings, and you're going to choose manage my subscriptions. Here, if you already have an account and it shows that you're already at the 17 months price plan, and you haven't done this changing manually, it's a mistake because Systeme.io cannot change your plan. You need to do it manually. So how you do it? So once you're here, you should have, if you already have a paid account, you should have a subscription active with your account. So you're going to click on the three dots on the right here, and then you're going to click on cancel subscription. Don't worry, it's going to keep all your email list, funnels, and everything you already have set up, because how does it work? Let's say this is the specific date that my plan, when I created my plan, and it was in September. So I have my plan active. Even if I cancel my plan today, I still have a few months before my account get canceled. So you will keep everything. You won't lose any of the data you already have inside your account. So you click on the three dots, you click on cancel subscriptions, and then you're going to click on the second link. So I have all the links in the description. So you're going to click on the second link in the description. It's going to bring you right here where you have the new price. And then you make sure to use the exact information you have, the same email address you already use for your account, for your current account, to make sure that you will get all your data back inside of your account, okay? And then you just benefit from the new price. If you wish to go a little bit farther and save a little bit of more of money, instead of paying the $17 a month, which is the new price for the monthly plan, you can still choose on the third link, choose the yearly plan, and you only pay $170 a year. So it's about $14 a month. So it's a huge save from the originally $27 a month. And if you do so using the link in the description, it's an affiliate link, I will give you a whole lot of bonuses, which are the following. So I'll give you, the Systeme.io is going to give you free migration if you already have an account somewhere else and you want to migrate everything you have from funnels, blogs, and everything inside of Systeme.io. The Systeme.io team will do it for you for free if you switch to a yearly plan. And also I will give you lots of bonuses. So it will include high converting funnel templates. I have 19 of them. And most of those templates were funnel hacked from one of the best, from the community, from the Systeme.io community, best funnels that we have. Most of them have been funnel hacked from people earning the $1 million reward from Systeme.io. I will also give you more than 100 of CSS custom codes to help create few automations like this, and everything like this. So you have all of the codes. You don't have to create anything. Just copy and paste the code inside of your own pages. I'll give you my Systeme.io in a box business. It's a great way. What I do is this. I sell it normally for $147, and it's really easy. It's the best way I have to create to earn affiliate commissions on automation. So what I do is I have an automated email sequence that I'm sending traffic to, and then I'm promoting this system, and it's giving me affiliate commissions on autopilot. You have all the emails and everything you need, email swaps and everything. You also have the complete Systeme.io PLR bundle, which is a white label courses, like 8 white label courses that you can with the full resales right. You can resell them. You have 8 courses, 8 email sequences, 8 funnels, automation, everything. Just plug and play. You don't have to create anything, and you have it for free. Usually they sell it for $197, and you can also get the rights to resell the white label courses if you wish to. And I also give you two of the software we have. It's automation tools that you can use and plug in from Google Chrome. You can plug them on your Facebook profile, and they're going to help you automate a lot of your marketing. Like this one, the Genius Connector is an automation tool that will automatically add new friends on your profile, that will create free traffic for you every day. It's really simple to use. They're going to send based of your descriptions and perfect target audience is going to send automated friend request, and then you can customize this friend request with a customized message and everything. It's awesome. And this one is using ChatGPT to automatically, go after every contact you have in your profile. It's going to look for the profiles. It's going to read the post they made, and it's going to, using ChatGPT, using your own style that you've created inside of ChatGPT, it's going to interact with the content. It's going to read the content, it's going to it's going to leave a heart, a like, anything, and then it's going to comment for you as if it were you. So it's a great way to create interaction for free. So I'm giving you for free. This one is $59 a month, and this one is $29 a month, and you have them for free. Unlimited plan, and you have everything. What you need to do is you just choose a yearly plan for Systeme.io, using one that's most suited, for you and your business, whether it's the starter plan, the webinar, or the unlimited plan. And once you go through these links, you just update, making sure you're using exactly the same email you already have. And then I'm going to see it, and I will unlock all those bonuses for you. Okay, so again, you go to your settings, you unsubscribe, you cancel your subscription, you choose whether it's a yearly plan or monthly plan. And if you choose the yearly plan, I will give you my bonuses for free, and you have them unlimited. It's for you. Even the software, you will still get the updates and everything just by choosing one of those plans. Okay, thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.